Welcome, I'm filming is a Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications from the right side, expand it, and you will find the battery saver toggle right over here. And all you need to do is simply tap on it. There we go. Now, truth be told, this won't extend your battery that much, so if you want to take actions outside of this toggle, what you can do is drop your max brightness, because it looks like the battery saver doesn't do anything with it. And having your max brightness, for instance, like maxed out, will obviously consume way more battery than if you drop it down to halfway. Now, halfway will yield you several hours of additional battery life, which I think might be more than what this battery saver will do. So that's what I would recommend, actually fiddling around first before you actually start changing or toggling on the battery saver, because it does a couple things in the background and that might not be the most beneficial. For instance, this connects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode, and this is sleep mode. So when you're not using your device, you're not going to be getting any kind of notifications that require internet, because your phone isn't connected at that time. Obviously it does it to preserve battery, but because of that you kind of are losing whatever information you might be getting normally. So there we go. So once you're done also with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply tapping on it, and if you decided to change the brightness, obviously you can change it back to whatever it was before. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.